truth is, nobody wants a slow website. If your website is slow, it will frustrate the people who visit your site and it will also harm the ranking of your website on Google. Right now, I have an e-commerce website that I created with WordPress. Let's go over to PageSpeed Insight to see how this website is currently performing. I'll just copy my site URL, then open a new tab. Here on Google, just search for PageSpeed Insight. Click on the first result. PageSpeed Insight is basically a tool created by Google to help you access the user experience of your website. So right here, just go ahead and paste the URL of your website and then click on Analyze. Now it is going to run a quick analysis and show you some key metrics that will tell you how your website is currently performing. And you can see that this website has a performance score of 39. Basically, any score between 0 and 49 is actually bad for business. 50 to 89 is kind of better. And anywhere between 90 to 100 is the best target you should have for your site. Now, down here, you're going to see some key metrics that will give you further insight into the performance of your website. First, we have the first contentful paint. This is basically the time it takes for the first piece of content to appear on the web page. Now we have a first contentful paint of 4.3 seconds, which is terrible because for the first 4 seconds that users will spend on our website, they will not know if something is happening or not. All they will see is a blank page for the first 4 seconds. And not a lot of people have the patience to wait for that long before they get to know whether the website is working or not. And this is one of the reasons why a lot of people will bounce away from your website. After first contentful paint, the next metric is largest contentful paint. This is the time it takes to load the largest piece of content on the web page. It could be an image, a video, and for this website, we have a largest contentful paint of 5.9 seconds, almost 6 seconds, which is very bad. And then the total blocking time that we'll have here is 400 milliseconds. I am sure you've probably had this experience where you can already see the content of the website, but it still takes some time for you to be able to interact with the elements of the website. Maybe you are trying to click a button, but it's not working and all of those kind of stuff. So total blocking time is the time it takes for the web page to become interactive and respond to user input. The next metric is cumulative layout shift. Sometimes you'll notice that while a page is loading, some elements keep changing their position. And that is what this metric is all about. And then the speed index will tell you the time it takes for content to become visible while the page is loading. All of these are key metrics that define the user experience on your website. And this website is currently performing poorly both on mobile and on desktop. Usually, when you create a website with WordPress, by default, it is likely going to be very slow because as you add more content to your site in form of the themes that you use, the plugins, the images, videos, and all of that, it takes more time to load all of these resources whenever someone visits your site. But you don't have to worry because in this video, I'm going to show you how to instantly increase the speed of your WordPress website to a performance score of 90 plus so that you can give your website visitors a better user experience and also improve your website SEO to rank higher on Google. This method that I'm about to show you is completely free, requires just a few simple steps, and it is going to work instantly. Just open a new tab in your browser and type in airlift.net/Emmanuel Adano. To make it easier for you, I'm going to leave this link in the description. So you can just click on the first link in the description of this video and that will bring you over to this page. The name of this plugin is Airlift, and this is the only plugin you are going to need to increase the speed of your website. Usually, you might want to get a separate plugin for caching, a separate plugin for image optimization, CSS and JavaScript optimization. You might need to use a CDN like Cloudflare if your web hosting does not have a built-in CDN. But Airlift is going to handle all of this for you. So you don't need all of these other plugins. You don't need to do all of this other stuff. This is the only plugin you need to get the result you want. So here you can see ultra-fast WordPress sites with the click of a button. Airlift will instantly speed up your WordPress site and boost your Google Core Web Vital score. It's a complete performance solution for your website, including caching, CDN, image optimization, CSS improvements, and more. And if you just scroll down, you're going to see the benefits of Airlift. First, it is going to help you improve your ranking on Google, and definitely it is going to help you increase your conversion rate because if your website is fast, if you give people a better user experience, then they are more likely to stay around and shop on your website. So the key basically is giving your visitors a better user experience. So right now, let's see how we can use Airlift to fix the performance of this website. So on this page, just click on Get Started Now. Then here you can create a new Airlift account. You can use your Google account, or you can just enter email address, set a password for yourself, and click on Sign Up. I'm going to use my Google account. Select the Google account I want to use, and then click Continue. And as simple as that, you've successfully created your Airlift account. And what we need to do right now is to enter, the URL of our website. So I'll just come over here, copy this, and then paste it into this field, and then click Continue. All right. The next step is to install the Airlift plugin on our website. So here is a link to download this plugin. So just go ahead and click on Download. That is going to download this plugin in zip format to your device. Now we can just go over to our WordPress dashboard, then come over to plugins, click on add new plugin, then upload plugin, then click on choose file to upload the plugin you just downloaded. Remember, the plugin file should be in zip format the way you downloaded it, so you don't have to unzip the plugin. So just go ahead and click on install now. After installing, now just click on activate plugin. And now Airlift is going to help us do all the optimization to increase the speed of our website. This is going to take just a couple of seconds. And as you can see, guys, the performance of our website has gone from 56. 56 was the desktop performance that we had before, and now we are at 96%. This is amazing, guys. The fact that you can get a performance like this just by using a single plugin and clicking just a few buttons is actually mind-blowing. And to confirm this, let's go back to Page Speed Insights again. I'll just copy this URL, then open a blank space. Then I'll just go ahead and paste the URL of my website and then click on Analyze. Then let's see what the performance of this website will look like on Page Speed Insight now. All right, now Page Speed Insight is showing a performance score of 84. This was from 39 that we started with. Also, let's see what performance looks like on desktop. On desktop, we have a performance score of 98, and you can see all the other metrics on desktop are so on point. So far, I think this is like the easiest way to increase the speed of your WordPress website without any hassle. Let me also mention that if after using Airlift, you don't get a performance score like this on your website, then there's probably maybe a configuration or a plugin you have installed on your site that is blocking Airlift from functioning properly. In that case, what you can just do is to contact Airlift 247 support, and they'll help you take a look at your website and try to help you fix the issue. So over here, you can see that we have a contact us link. Contact us anytime to solve any site related queries. So if you have any issues, you can just click here and reach out to them. Also here, you can see, is your site working as expected? If not, click here to disable the speed optimization and generate a support ticket. So just in case, if you need help with your website, you can just reach out to them and they can help you with that. And that's it for this video, guys. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comment section, or if you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section. I'll be there answering your questions. Also, you can let me know the kind of video you want to see next on this channel. Before you go, don't forget to like and subscribe. I really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.